Alright, rolling?
Yeah.
Welcome
Hey, where's your pen?
I don't know.
I think I have
Oh.
Get this smoke out of here.
Oh. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I look ugly with my glasses off.
Yeah, we look like it.
Welcome to Chef Take. I am your So, last week, me, Vicente, and Madden, not Matt, Madden, have won 11-3 in our predictions. Quite swell. Let's start with Thursday Night Football. This is week 11.
Let's just put down the Steelers.
Yeah, yeah. Honestly, I did think the Steelers were gonna win. I thought it was gonna be a close game.
Yeah. Sure yourself. Sorry, I just got a call from your mother. She said she's kind of coming tonight.
Okay, let's start with our first game on Sunday. Detroit Lions at the Chicago Bears.
Detroit Lions at the Chicago Bears.
Wait, hold on. Matt, who'd you pick for Pittsburgh and Tennessee?
I picked Pittsburgh.
Okay. And Madden also has predicted Tennessee to win. I don't know what they smoke. But
Matt, you're a stupid idiot. Freaking moron.
I said Madden. Dumbass. Anyway. Detroit at Chicago. I have Detroit winning this game.
I have the horrible city Detroit. They suck balls. Well, their city does, but their team doesn't, I guess.
So you have Detroit then?
You have Detroit.
That's
the
all you
horrible
have to
city
say.
Detroit, where you get mugged and raped every single day. Trust me, I went there once. I got raped twice.
Ask our manager if you're still having this on film. Like, are we censoring this out or not?
Let me check.
You should be wearing those all the time. Too.
Yeah. Yeah. He said it's fine. He doesn't care.
Okay, what a nice guy he is.
Because he also got butt raped in Detroit, too.
Why? So, me, Vicente have Detroit. Madden has picked Chicago to win this game.
Somebody fought me.
Matthew Velez, who do you pick to win? Detroit or Chicago?
Detroit.
Good job. The city of rape. Now,
the city of good business, and then everyone got raped.
Okay. Bloodbath alert. Yes, that's a new thing now. For now, I think.
I can
Jacksonville at Cleveland.
Oh, I'm getting a call from my manager. Oh, you say it's gonna be a killer? No, he's just laughing because Jacksonville's just gonna rape the Cleveland Browns.
Oh. Who do you have, Vicente? It's really not a
The
question.
Browns are gonna have Browns in their pants after the Jaguars are done with them. So I'm going with the Jags. You feel me?
We feel you, Vicente.
Oh yeah.
You stop.
Yeah.
I
cannot stop in my enemy.
So yeah.
Amen.
Yeah, the Jacksonville defense is gonna give me a lot of
Amen.
points this Sunday.
Amen.
Madden has also picked Jacksonville to win this game. Matt, who do you have?
For who?
Jacksonville or Cleveland?
Jacksonville.
Yeah, who wouldn't? Only those typical Browns fans that no one gives a crap about.
You can say something.
Yeah, sorry about him not being in this video.
Say something.
He's playing World War II. Can you mute that? I don't want to hear her hideous voice.
You're a jerk! Oh, I'm getting a call from my manager. Oh, wait.
Oh, what? Am I gonna get jumped or something?
Mm-hmm.
Put that on mute, for the love of God.
Okay, I have it on mute.
Just kidding, I have the headphones.
Okay. Baltimore at Green
You can say
Bay.
things now.
Baltimore, Green Bay?
This is gonna be a tough. I don't know.
I got Green Bay because they're staying near the bay. You feel me?
I really don't know who I have, but as it shows written on paper, I have Baltimore. Originally I had Green Bay, but I was stuck. So Madden has also predicted Green Bay to win this game. Matt, who do you have to win?
If you're Vicente Velez, you
What
can.
team?
Baltimore at Green Bay.
It's me, Jimmy. I do a lot of things.
Oh, Green Bay.
Once,
Okay.
whatever, twice, same time.
Tampa Bay at Miami. Oh yeah, Madden has also predicted Green Bay to
What?
win. My apologies. Tampa Bay at Miami.
Oh, Miami.
Oh,
It's okay, Matt. I was mainly talking to Vicente.
sorry, my manager's screaming in my ear because I did something.
Okay, tell the
Shut
manager
up.
to screw off.
I have Miami.
Okay, same. I mean, Tampa
Oh,
Bay
my
does have
manager
Jimmy
said,
Smith.
Mikey, go jump off a cliff. Manager, if you could...
Just
Yep.
play along.
Chef's Game of the Week. I mean, this is what I think it's going to be. I think it's going to be the best game of the week so far.
Just say some random things.
The Rams at Minnesota. I have Minnesota winning this game, mainly because of home field advantage. Vicente, who do you have?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, my manager said
Oh,
disgusting
you're
for some
like a
apparent reason. I don't know why.
Okay, I don't care. We don't have to talk to the manager. Take off those headphones. You look
She
ridiculous.
just said I'm so sexy. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard I
You look
try.
like-
These are things.
Okay, but by the video, like, look, doesn't he look like Mickey Mouse a bit?
He's just...
Hello, kids. I want to rip your dad. I don't know.
I have the,
I have Minnesota.
Vikings.
Okay. Madden, when I looked at the simulation, it was actually pretty good. It was a close game. It went into overtime, as a matter of fact. But they picked the Rams. Matt, who do you have?
For
Ram-
Rams and Vikings?
Yes.
So,
I got the
what
Rams,
chance?
Okay.
No.
I don't know if I could say bloodbath. All I know is that this game is gonna have, the team is gonna have more than 14 points scored than the I don't know how to. They're gonna have more than a 14-point lead.
No.
Anyway, Washington at New Orleans. I have New Orleans without a doubt.
What does it mean?
Oh, wait. Shh. Shh. I think it's gonna
Jamie, leave me the hell alone.
be... She's talking to me, not you, dimstick.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
I don't know, I just made it up.
Okay, look, Washington or New Orleans.
Shh, I got the... I don't know, I want
Shut.
the Redskins to win, so I'm gonna say Redskins. When's the last time I want them to win?
You want them to win. Who do you
'Cause the
think
Saints-
is going to win? Who do you think, you crackhead?
Excuse me for a minute, Jamie.
Oh! No! No! No!
Just hand away from me. Yo, do you just fart on my leg? Now my
No, I
leg
did
is gonna
not.
get diabetes.
Okay, so Vicente has the Redskins. My apologies for this pointless video.
Pointless. This is
I'm
a
joking, I'm
moist
joking.
video.
It is.
I'll come to your house, Mikey. I'm burning that. What? What?
So you have the Redskins winning.
Hey, what just happened?
She hanged up because she hates you.
Actually, she
Washington.
loves me, Mike. So
Whoa, pause.
Okay, why don't
not
you
in
date her?
that way.
Alright, what? So you picked Washington, yes or no? Give me an answer,
I want
Mickey.
Washington to win, so I'm gonna pick Washington. Okay.
Fine. That's all
Okay.
you had to say.
Okay. Okay.
Just let me breathe for the minute, man.
Okay.
Okay, Madden had New Orleans winning, and that was a bloodbath simulation. Matt, New Orleans or Redskins?
New Orleans.
Your mother.
Shut up.
Mike, don't make me come to your house.
Kansas City at the Giants.
Kansas City. Just
Yeah,
skip,
Kansas City. Kansas City.
Well, I'm getting word from my manager.
Who do you have, Matt?
I'm awesome again.
Kansas City.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Andy Reid.
Andy Reid, more like Andy Reid's. Oh, never mind. I have nothing.
Stop.
Mike, don't make me come over there.
Shut up, please. Okay, anyway. Arizona at Houston. Tough one.
What the hell are you saying?
I picked Houston.
What?
God, I feel stupid for that. I have Houston
These
winning this
headphones
game.
are trash.
Who do you have? Arizona or Houston, Vicente?
Arizona or Houston?
Yes. Did I stutter?
I got Arizona. You feel me?
Yes, we feel you.
Just kidding. I'm unplugging these gay headphones. Stupid.
Okay. Arizona.
You shall talk again.
Because we're shooting a video, okay? So why don't you be quiet?
You're so mean, Mike. I told
Anyway.
her to talk.
Okay, Matt. Who do you... Shut up!
Dude, you're so annoying. Shut up.
Yeah, you old porch. Matt, who do you have? Arizona or Houston?
Tell him to take Arizona.
Okay. I'm the odd man out again.
Oh, my manager said kill yourself. I would do it on the camera right now, but I don't want this video to get...
Yeah, YouTube
Lost.
community guidelines, suck. I'm sorry, YouTube, but you have to, get that stuff under control. Yeah, Madden had Arizona winning this
Oh, you want your
game
name
barely.
on YouTube?
Okay. Buffalo at the Chargers.
Buffalo at the Chargers. I think the Chargers are going to charge the Buffalo Bills in the
Yeah,
butt, so
I
I think
think-
the Chargers.
I think the Chargers are going to win because
Oh,
Buffalo
manager said
is
Aiden
not
Reed raped.
starting. Buffalo is not starting Tyrod Taylor.
I don't know why.
I don't know either.
Dude, the Buffalo Bills are retarded.
I
That's
know.
why the Buffalo Bills. You only think about the Buffalo Bills is LeSean McCoy. What a stud. I love him.
I'll be like Matt.
No homo.
I'll be like Mike Hannalupo. Nathan Peterman. Nathan Peterman. Okay, so you have the Chargers. Madden also picked the Chargers. Matt, Chargers or Buffalo? Tyrod Taylor's not starting because the whole Bills organization is nothing but a big cocaine joint.
Oh, then...
Chargers?
The Chargers, yeah.
Good job. That's all you had to say.
My manager's freaking out.
Can you tell the manager to screw off? I don't care. Look,
Jamie,
we don't
what
have a
happened?
manager. Look, to everybody that's watching, please just forgive me. Yeah, stuff like that. I'm sorry.
Jamie, what?
I don't know what I
Things
can
happen.
do with my life anymore. Can you put that on mute?
No.
Her voice is making my ears bleed. Alright, now that looks so wrong. Cincinnati at Denver. I'm just cutting
yeah.
right to the chase.
Blood?
Cincinnati at Denver, you numbnut.
Cincinnati.
I have Denver. I don't know why. Madden has also picked Denver. Matt, who do you have? Cincinnati or Denver?
Cincinnati.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I mean, they're both 3 and 6.
Oh,
It's like
crap.
nothing.
They both suck, dude.
New England at Oakland.
Check what's inside the blood first.
And this game is in Mexico.
Ooh, that's very
Check.
nice.
Wait, it's in Mexico. Arriba! Hey, you know. Oh, yeah, Mexico. Sorry.
Oh.
Wait, you're getting extremely triggered?
Yeah, this girl over the phone. she hates Hispanics for some reason. She has like some strong feelings against them. I guess.
Well, check the blood. Like, find the bag first.
So yeah, this game is filmed in Mexico. I'm sorry about that. So basically, I think it's home field advantage for Oakland because there are a lot of where the area that Mexico is in, like that's where a lot of Raider fans are. But I'm still picking New England. Vicente, New England or Oakland?
Timothy.
Okay, so the Patriots.
Oh, that's Tim.
Yep,
I
yep.
feel like Tim too.
Okay, Madden has also picked New England. Matt, New England or Oakland?
New England.
Well,
I want the Raiders to
I
win.
I
though.
guess.
What?
I want the Raiders to win, but I think.
Check upstairs.
Eh. Sunday night football. Where my Eagle fans? Sunday night football. Where my Eagle fans at?
Sunday night football.
If you see right there, he has a six-pack. Adore it. Worship it.
Hey, don't put it close to my balls.
I'm sorry about
I don't
that.
want the camera seeing my balls.
Oh,
but do you want- Hey, I want them seeing this.
So, Sunday night football. Philadelphia Eagles at Dallas Cowboys. Now, the Cowboys got Bill Cosby last week. They look like a totally different team without Zeke. The O-line sucked. They are trash. Trash. Trash.
They're so trash.
Yeah, they're trash.
So I said you.
Eagles. Eagles are gonna win. Madden has also picked the Eagles. I picked the Eagles. Vicente picks the Eagles. Matt picks the Eagles to win. We're going with their homeboys.
Jamie, what do you pick? The Eagles to win?
She doesn't count. I don't have her on this list.
My manager said Eagles. You feel me? Yeah.
Better
let's go
pick the
Birds.
Eagles before I kill you. Okay.
I did say your name. My manager, Jamie, said the
She's so picky.
Eagles.
She's so picky, I know.
You know where she goes to school? No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, Monday Night Football, Atlanta at Seattle. Richard Sherman's out for the rest of the season with a ruptured
I
Achilles.
say Atlanta. They beat the crap out of Dallas, so they're on a high point. Oh no, I'm starting their defense. I said Seattle. Then.
I have Seattle winning. Wait, you have Seattle?
Yeah, I have Seattle.
Okay.
I have Seattle. You know why they call it Seattle? Because
I don't
you
care.
see all the Attles.
What?
Okay. Okay, whatever his logic is. Madden has predicted Atlanta to win this game.
Madden's a
Uh,
ball sack face.
I know. Matthew, what
See.
would you... Seattle or Atlanta? You jinxed Atlanta's Super Bowl game last year.
Yeah, I did. That's why Tom Brady. That's why I should get MVP for last year's Super Bowl.
No, I should get
Okay.
I pick pussy. I pick Seattle. No, I pick Atlanta. I'm sorry.
Just make up your mind!
In your butt.
Okay, so those are week 11 predictions for Chef's Sake. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for all this ball sack stuff that was going on.
I know it's really dumb.
I'm probably gonna get demonetized if I make any money. You can't. Okay.
I got it.
Ready, go! Catch the ball.
I got it.
Touchdown! Touch it. Thank you for watching Chef Steak. Good night to all of you.
Ahuba my duba.
Yeah, this video was recorded at like 2 in the morning.
We don't need to tell them about this stuff, Mike.
End your life!
Yeah, we got our lovely general manager, Jamie, in the back.
Thank you for watching Chef's Sake. Have a good night. These were week 11 NFL predictions. Yeah. Let's angle it to Matt real quick. Matt, do you have anything to say to the camera?
Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe and
Thank you, Jamie.